I certainly hope you've prepared yourself because so far March 2024 is shaping up to be a wild ride in the world of tokens. Cryptocurrency in general, we're off to a great start, but especially tokens. We are talking about a staggering $2.919 billion worth of tokens being unleashed into the market. And that's a whole lot more than what we've seen lately. And you have to be paying attention. You should absolutely care about this because these many tokens flooding the market can have a pretty big impact on prices. Just try to think of it like this. Much greater supply with an unchanging demand. That's economics 101. And so with all these tokens hitting the market, there is a chance that prices could take a tumble if demand doesn't keep pace. On the whole, of course, we are super optimistic about the crypto space for March 2024 and beyond. But when it comes to these projects, if you are an active investor, you certainly should be paying attention to the following token unlocks. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck if you choose to invest. And I wish you well. I always have. But I'm not a financial or investment advisor. So just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Okay, we're kicking off this list at number 1 with a major heavyweight in the space, Abitrum, ticker ARB. Now, this unlock is a milestone for the project, tracing back to its initial airdrop, and now setting the stage for a very significant surge in its circulating supply. And I'm being serious here because we're talking about a potential doubling, that's a 2x, of the asset's current circulating supply. More than 1 billion ARB tokens, and that's going to be worth over $2 billion. That's about to hit the market. This is going to be a major event. And this makes up a whopping 87% of the existing circulating supply. It's all set to go down by the 16th of March, so in just really a couple of weeks. But to break it down even further, you ought to be aware that the project's core team and the advisors, they're in line to receive a very hefty portion of 673.5 million ARB tokens. Meanwhile, investors in the L2 network, they are eagerly awaiting 438.25 million ARB tokens. And by the way, Abitrum just isn't any old player in the crypto space, right? It is the largest Ethereum-based layer 2 network out there. There's also been some pretty exciting news recently and some developments in the form of Robinhood. Whether you like them or not, they've recently jumped on the Abitrum bandwagon, integrating Abitrum into their platform in order to offer users faster and more cost-effective transactions thanks to the L2 technology. ARB is up slightly over these last 24 hours. It's trading right now at $2.04 with a market cap just under $3 billion, as you can see. And its performance has been very solid going back about 3 months to early December 2023. So just keep in mind that after the 16th of March unlock, Abitrum is planning to steadily release tokens every 4 weeks for the next 4 years, as noted by Token Unlocks in a previous tweet. Listen up if you're watching this as an American, because I'm talking to you. Because we've actually found an exchange that offers you the best of both worlds. Want to trade spot markets on over 400 trading pairs and without KYC? Yeah, you can. Want to trade perpetuals markets on over 150 trading pairs with KYC that accepts Americans, by the way, Canadians too? Yeah, you can also do that. The only exchange we've seen in the market that lets you do both simple spot trading without KYC and perps trading with KYC that Americans can use is BYDFi. And along with the great fees and almost no slippage on trade orders, you also get up to $8,698 in bonuses just for trying BYDFi. And then in addition, you also get our flagship Altcoin Buzz Alpha service totally free for 1 month. And you can check out BYDFi today by clicking the link in either the description of this video or the pinned comment below. At number 2 on our list here is Aptos, ticker APT. This is a project that is gearing up for a major event this month in March. $289 million worth of APT tokens are set to be unlocked and released into the market on the 12th of March. For context, that is about 6.7% of the project's circulating supply. To break it down, the foundation is stated to receive 1.33 million APT tokens. That's valued at about $15.5 million. The community will then get their hands on 3.21 million APT tokens, valued at about $37.4 million. Then the project's core contributors, they're not going to be left out, of course. They're in line for a hefty portion of 11.88 million APT tokens, valued at $138.2 million. And And then we also have the investors. They're going to be receiving 8.42 million APT. That's valued at $98 million. As I record, APT is up very nicely on the day, over 10%. In fact, it's trading at $13.31 with a market cap of $4.79 billion. So the performance has been terrific. And the fact is that we can actually study how Aptos and the APT token have reacted to previous unlocks by taking a look at January 12th, 2024, and about a month earlier, exactly a month earlier, December 12th, 2023. Aptos chose to unlock a significant amount of tokens on both those dates. And in both cases, the price of APT took a hit. Nothing too crazy, but it did plummet by 17.94% and 14.1% respectively. So it is something worth considering if you're an investor in Aptos as we approach this upcoming unlock. Just keep in mind that Aptos isn't just about token unlocks though, right? It's of course also about making moves to expand its reach, particularly in Africa. Last month, just for this quick update here, Aptos partnered with Jambo to bridge Africans with global blockchain networks. So this focuses on empowering individuals in developing countries through Web3 technology. And as part of this partnership, they're also launching Jambo Phone, which is an affordable smartphone priced at $99 and which is aimed at facilitating this particular connection. Last but not least here, our final unlock for the month of March 2024 in the crypto space is ImmutableX, ticker IMX, and 34 million IMX tokens worth about $112 million are going to be unlocked on the 22nd of March. Here's how the allocation is going to go. So private sales, they will see 8.66 million IMX tokens. Ecosystem development is getting 15.9 million IMX tokens. And project development is getting 9.62 million IMX tokens. ImmutableX is a layer 2 scaling solution currently trading at $2.96. And the coming unlock, candidly, will most likely cause a downward shift in price, but that is usually how it goes. It's not too surprising. All in all, looking at the last 3 months here of price performance, IMX has had a very nice run despite being down 6 or 7% on the day as I record. It has otherwise performed very nicely since December 2023. Some notable mentions here I just want to talk about briefly before we wrap up the video. We also have Ape, which is unlocking $35.88 million during the month of March. Pixel, $29.24 million. And OP, Optimism, $106.3 million. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. And additionally, we're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. And if you're into passive income and airdrops, just check out the number that we've received until now. Add to that the original TIA airdrop and all the others that are upcoming. We've achieved this by giving several deeply researched and diversified calls. Just check out some of these numbers from December 2023 last month. And right now, the plan moving forward is to reallocate profits to low caps, to diversify into new segments, to keep getting bigger and better airdrops, to catch the latest trends like Bitcoin and Linea inscriptions, and to dollar cost average during market flushes. We just recently introduced a yearly subscription to Patreon, and you can take advantage of that because if you subscribe to that yearly plan for a limited time, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check us out by clicking on the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below.